Welcome to this edition of Mayne Island Meals. This morning we are making French toast, Saturday morning French toast. First we're going to break 2 eggs into our mixing pan, which doubles as the lid of a casserole. It's very useful when you have small spaces to multi-purpose things. So we're going to whip those up a little bit, and typically in boring French toast you add a little bit of milk or cream to give it a little bit of a consistency. But because it's Mayne Island, we're going to give it a little bit of a Mayne Island twist. Little Nanaimo bar liqueur cream. Because it's Saturday and because we can. Just a healthy splooch.
A what?
Healthy splooch to make it just a little creamy. Just get that all stirred in. And today's bread is the star, really. It's sourdough from the sunny Mayne Island Bakery Cafe. Are you excited for this, Daddy?
Oh yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna put some bread in here, our oddly cut bread. So we're gonna put the sourdough in here to soak for a few minutes. And while that's soaking, let's fire up our fancy stove. We're gonna get our stove ready. Okay. Get a little bit of butter in the pan to melt. Time for the butter. Go swimming in there. Let's flip our toast. Oh, look how lovely that's coming along, soaking up all that goodness. This is gonna be epic. So we've got our first batch ready for the frying pan. Maybe a little warmer. It's gonna be delicious. Look at that deliciousness coming our way. When I throw pesos their way. Oh, look at that finish. All right, here comes piece 3. Sizzle, sizzle, get in my belly. This one's ready to come out. And this one, now 1 more minute. Giving it some love, giving it some love. Oh, look at that, look at that, look at that. Delicious. Let's get that 4th piece in. The Big Daddy. Oh!
Oopsie.
Yum. All right, now we're going to introduce syrup to Mayne Island French toast. It's gonna be delicious. All right, let's taste this unique treat found only on Mayne Island. So good.
Is it Nanaimo bar-ish?
Hint of chocolate's in there for sure. Delicious. Well, as you can see, it was pretty darn delicious and very satisfying.
Very good, it was indeed.
2 thumbs up. Definitely will do again.